What's up, guys? Welcome to today's vid. We have a pretty simple task today. We're going to be changing the oil on my Daily Slayer Honda Prelude. So I realized I haven't given you guys a real intro to the car, and I think it would be a perfect time to do that while I'm doing something simple like change the oil. All maintenance matters, guys. So let's bring the car inside and get ready to rock and roll. So this is my 1997 Honda Prelude. So a quick little breakdown of this Prelude is basically age 22, has a pretty cool, hot air intake. Some cool things I've added was this sweet JDM shift knob to my heroes out there and villains. Oh, this is something cool. So this right here was something that I did right here. I put in a new fake grid. What would you call this? Clutch cover? And it just really ties the shift knob together. And then put in this new Pioneer dash, single din, keep it simple. I have my chunky cat. And just so I'm not hiding anything from you guys, the mileage on the body, 257,000, almost 258,000. These Hondas, you take care of them, they last a while. Hey Kai, do you have anything to say for the camera? Anything? Can I have some paw? Come on, give me some paw. All right. So the oil is finished draining. I gave you a quick little overview of the car. So right now, I'm gonna take out the old oil filter, replace it with the new one, and reverse everything. Put new oil back in, put a new nut, put in the old nut, and you're good to go. Oil's changed, simple, let's get to it. Alright guys, so the car is finished draining. While that old oil is out, I took out the old oil filter. I put the new one in. So just to tell you guys what I like to use personally on my cars, I like to use WIX oil filters. And then for the Honda, I like to put 15W40, super thick. And then the WIX filter, 51334, in case you guys want to start using WIX, and pretty good thick diesel truck oil. I'm gonna lube up the new oil filter. Always make sure to lube this up. And what I like to do is pre-fill it and then twist it into the engine. Me personally, I like to change my oil every 3 months on my daily. Why? Because it gives me something to do, it keeps the engine healthy, and it's fun, man. I enjoy doing this, honestly. So, let's rock and roll and finish this job up. Okay, dude, so put the new oil filter on, put in the new oil. Alright guys, thanks for helping me tackle this job. I couldn't have done it without you guys. I hope this video can serve as a reminder to please change your oil. All maintenance matters. The cars are there for us, we gotta be there for our cars, right? That's it for today's vid. If you have anything for me, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys on the next one.